Here's the solution for day 2, problem 1. Part A, identify the x-intercept and y-intercept for the graph of 5y equals 2x minus 10. So here we have a linear equation with two variables, x and y. We're asked to find where does the graph of this equation cross the x-axis and where does the graph of the equation cross the y-axis. Let's do the x-intercept first. To find the x-intercept of a linear equation, we substitute the value of 0 for the letter y. So 5 times 0 equals 2x minus 10. And solve this equation. 5 times 0 is 0, so that's equal to 2x minus 10. And then from here we can solve this step by step or solve it mentally using guess and check strategy. For example, with just a little bit of thought, I can figure out that 2 times 5 makes 10, and subtract 10 is equal to 0. And so I think that x is equal to 5. When we graph the line that goes with this equation, it's going to cross the x-axis at 5. Let's get the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept of a linear equation, we could substitute 0 in place of the letter x. And so we'll have 5y equals 2 times 0 minus 10. Two times 0 is a 0 in this position, and 0 subtract 10 makes negative 10 to the right of that equal sign. So we have 5y equals negative 10. How about 5 times negative 2 equals negative 10? I think y is negative 2. All right, with these two values, the x-intercept and the y-intercept, we can do question B, which is to graph a line that goes with this linear equation. This line is going to cross the x-axis at 5. So here on the x-axis, find 5 and put a dot there. The line is going to go through that dot. And this line is going to cross the y-axis at negative 2. On the y-axis, find negative 2 and put a dot there. And carefully draw a line through those two dots. There is the graph of this linear equation. Now, day 2, problem 2. The height of a plant, h of x, is a function of the time it's been in the ground, x, in weeks. A plant was 10 inches tall when put in the ground, and it grows 3 inches per week. So there's the rate of change. Every week it grows 3 inches, and there is the initial value. When we first put the plant in the ground, it was already 10 inches tall. Question A, write a function equation for the situation. And we're told to use the symbol h of x in our function equation. So h of x equals the height of the plant at x weeks in the ground is equal to what expression? Well, it's 10 inches tall to begin with, plus it grows 3 inches per week. That can be represented with 3x. So here is our function equation representing the height of the plant. Now in question B, we can use that equation to find the height when x is 1 week, when x is 4 weeks, and when x is 6 weeks. So h of 1 equals 10 plus 3 times 1. That makes 13 inches. H of 4 equals 10 plus 3 times 4. And that equals 22 inches. And h of 6, the height of the plant when it's been in the ground for 6 weeks. That will equal 10 plus 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18, add 10 is 28 inches. We were able to use our function equation to find the height of the plant at various points in time.